Spocket for dropshipping review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient platform for dropshipping, Spocket might be your solution, but it's important to know exactly what you're getting into before diving in. Spocket is a dropshipping tool that connects e-commerce entrepreneurs with suppliers of high-quality products, primarily from the US and Europe. Its key selling point is its focus on fast shipping times, often between 2 to 7 days for products coming from these regions, which is a huge advantage compared to many suppliers based in China. Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, making it user-friendly for those who already have stores set up on these platforms. The platform offers a wide range of products across categories like fashion, beauty, electronics, home goods, and more, which gives you flexibility to choose a niche that fits your store. One of the biggest benefits is the curated selection of suppliers, meaning you don't have to sift through countless options to find trusted vendors. Spocket allows you to sample products before listing them, which can help ensure you're offering quality items to your customers. However, while Spocket offers some premium features, it's important to consider its pricing. Spocket has a free plan, but it's quite limited in terms of product selection. To unlock more features and a broader range of suppliers, you'll need to opt for the paid plans, which can be a bit pricey, especially for beginners. The starter plan is at $24 per month, and the Pro plan can cost as much as $99 per month. For serious dropshippers looking to scale, the price might be worth it, but it's something to factor in when budgeting. Another feature worth mentioning is Spocket's branded invoicing, which lets you add your logo to invoices and receipts, giving your business a more professional look. Customer support is decent, with email and chat options available, but some users have reported slower response times during peak periods. In conclusion, Spocket is a great tool for entrepreneurs looking to offer quality products with fast shipping times, especially those targeting customers in the US and Europe. If you're looking for convenience and a curated selection of suppliers, Spocket delivers. However, if you're just starting out and on a tight budget, it may take some time to get the most out of the platform, especially considering the cost of the paid plans. Make sure to consider your needs and budget before committing.